we're going to engrave this gray Hamsa box somebody ordered as a present. So we need to engrave the inside. We are not going to show we're engraving to respect privacy, but I also have to engrave here the Made in Canada, since this goes through border to the US. And now with the new restrictions, we need to make sure that the country of origin is in the actual product, cannot be declared anymore. So that happened a few months ago. So we're going to use the laser. I have the X tool D1, I think it is, 5-watt laser, used mostly for engraving. One of the things I'm using here is my leg extenders. So these are really nice. So I have a base. I'm going to show you later how I have a grid at the bottom, would allow me to position the piece in the place to engrave. And I have my leg extenders that can be two type of sizes. We sell that, and it's very useful to engrave different type of product with different sizes. So let me see, frame this. Okay, almost a bit below. Go just below our branding. So what we need to engrave will be inside the lid. So now the laser is too high. So I'm going to change the legs using the shorter ones for this. Going to be more than enough. Actually, the way that we design the legs and how they fit into the bases with this kind of a screw, but elongated, so it doesn't really screw into the base, but they keep the right position all the time, and in a way they are stackable, so you can actually keep adding one on top of the other, and it gives a lot of stability, although it doesn't look like, but it does.
You can get your copy of the extenders or your set of extenders from our Etsy shop that we are displaying right now on the screen. A link will be added to the description. Thank you very much.